Hi guys, this is Mimi Macleod again. So for today's video, we're gonna unboxing. So my sister gave me something, but I don't know what is it. But this one is, of course, is a wedding invitation. So my brother is gonna get married on January 18. So here in Quest Hotel. So that's the invitation. So basta yun na lang yun, invitation. Dito tayo mag-unboxing. So my sister gave me Labubu. Sa Labubu, I don't know which one I'm gonna get. So and this is the Gosmin dress for the men and for the bridesmaid. This is for the bridesmaid, guys. So this is for me. So of course, let's see. Actually, two of them. So that's the dress of that one. That's the bridesmaid. It's Mimi Macleod. Okay. And this one give me something. So okay, so this is the hair clip, of course. And I don't know what's this. Oh, this one is it like a, oh no, what's that? So that's for the kitchen, bag kitchen. That's so cute. And another, I don't know what's this. Oh, of course, give me a pan. Actually, I have this one also. In Canada, I have this one, but I don't have hair, so you give me that one. And oh my god! You know what, guys? You know what? What's so funny? I like SB19. Just a low key. So this is the Pagtatag era. That's the concert of SB19. Yes, see? I told my sister, can you order for me? So yeah. So this is the t-shirt. It's been a year before I get this one. And actually, when the SB19 had concert in Vancouver, I decided I wanted to watch, but I did not because I don't have person to come with me. Oh my god. So that's the LSB of SB19. So let's see. I'm not really, but I know, like a fan or what we call like 18. But I adore SB19, promise. I always watching the music or video of SB19. I know what's this one. Maybe that's about of SB19, I guess. And then what's this? I don't know. Let's see. This okay, this is my marriage contract anyway. So okay. Oh yeah, so this is for the Pagtatag era, for the SB19. You know, see? Pablo, Stella, Joss, of course my bias, Ken, and Justin. But I like the 5 of them. But the most is Ken. Ken Susun. Oh my god. So this is the card of Selecta. I don't know who's that one there, but I think I already know because my sister opened this one time. Okay, so she gave me the opener, bottle opener. So that's San Miguel. So okay guys, that's for today's video. Bye bye.
Take it as a bag to make sure it's gonna fit. Maybe.
Somebody give me this one. Let's see. See Labubu. Labubu. I don't know how you. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god. Yeah, I love it. What's this one? What's that? That's a pink. So that's a lychee berry. I think so. It's a pink or not toffee. If I'm right, it's a lychee berry. I think so. So there are another one, guys. So it's a cute one. It's candy or what? I don't know. Santa Claus.